yellow car.
Yellow car? Is that the sun coming up? Where's the mouse?
Oh, bye.
The spider? What's the cat say?
Hey, boy. Boy.
Boy.
Hey,
Is that what a dog says? Yes.
Did you tell Mindy?
No, I haven't.
Huh?
I haven't. The yellow bus.
Oh my.
That's a man?
Oh my.
What, the little boy?
Oh bye.
The spider. Is the daddy working on the blue car? Where's the tire?
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. I think it's a daddy's foot.
Hey, mine.
That's that man. Yeah.
Birthday. Oh, bye. Bye.
The spider is right there.
Oh, bye.
Yeah. Remember that little boy wanted to go fishing and he asked his daddy. His daddy couldn't do it. Then he asked his mom, but his mom couldn't do it either. So now what is he going to do? Who's he going to ask? He asked his granddaddy. He says, will you take me fishing? And the granddaddy said, I can't. I have to weed the garden.
God.
The garden.
No. Go.
Then he asked his
Bye.
the spider.
Bye. No, bye. Huh?
Wow.
Bye. Bye-bye.